Hello parents. Okay, today I want to teach about how to match the words and picture. Okay, first parent need to prepare the pictures and the word. Okay, parent needs to print. Okay, like this. I have a picture of pink color, pink circle, and I have words pink. And so picture, words, match. Okay, like this, match. Okay. Okay, hi parent. Okay, let's practice. Okay, first, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 picture, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Okay, first, what this? This pink circle and words pink, pink, pink. Wow, good job. So the rewards we can give, like you get sticker, right? And good sticker. Okay, we do another one. What's this? Ball. Wow, good job. Another right. So we got another sticker. What color? Let's choose purple. Got another one. Okay, let's do another one. What is this? The key is jump. Keep jump and jump. Sand, and we put sand. Jump. So, two correct. We got another sticker. Good job. Okay, let's do last one. Duck. Wow. Duck. Cam and cam. Correct. You got six correct. So you got another sticker. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticker. Good job.